Okay, guys, if you've got a fifth wheel RV or an RV or any kind of camper that has a slide out and you get ready to run your slide out in and it won't run in or it runs in just one side, you've probably got a froze up slide out motor like we had. And so here is the process you have to go through to get the motor changed out. Or like we were going to have our camper hot shotted, and he was going to be coming in just a few days, and we had to get this camper slide outs run in and ready to move down the road just temporarily. And we replaced the motor once our camper arrived at its new destination.
Now guys, I'm pushing this one because it's only the other side is going to slide in, but this side won't. So the one that we fix inside, we're trying so to push this one, and I push it a little bit, so now it needs hopefully we can push it so that this one will be going to close for now. So right now guys, we are doing it manually, so hopefully it will close. It's not even halfway yet, but we're trying to work on this. So you need to push the button there. There is a motor there that you're gonna push it.
You ready to push that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, one more. Yeah, guys, I guess it's almost to get in now. See, that one is almost in now, but this one's still a little bit that we need to push it. So we are trying to work. Guys, we're almost done, but this side,
Back the truck up a little bit.
yeah,
We
it's a
can get
little
closer.
bit bigger. Yeah. So hopefully we can close it. We're just using our truck so that we can get in there and then push the slides out. Now guys, both sides already are almost closed. So we need to return whatever Mr. Wondering World is getting there.
It's just gonna mash it down. It'll be okay.
Yeah, all the screws he needs to return, and hopefully we can close it. That's our problem.
A little more.
So for now guys, he tried to run that side because that's the only side it's going to move. So
Have to reset it again.
I'll reset it again here.
Yeah.
And then push this one.
Yeah.
So we are going to reset the manual here. I'm going to show it to you that it's blinking. You need to push it 6 times fast, and then the 7, hold it to 5 seconds.
Now we're ready.
And now we're ready. See that? See that? That's the one that we push it. Push it.
Okay.
Run again. So that's what we're pushing. So now he's pushing again. So we are going to push it again. Yeah, I need your help again. Just push. It's heavy. Oh, baby na ako. Okay. Malingbog ata. It's Sunday today, so we cannot call somebody to repair our slides. So we are trying to repair it ourselves.
Do a little bit at a time. So that
Yeah. We need to have like a. Oh. Okay. No, manual again, baby. You need to do it manually again.
well, this side is still going in over here. I'm just doing a little bit at a time.
Okay, just do it a little bit of a time. It's really cold out here. My hands are freezing already. But we need to fix it so that we can move, because today we are going to move already. in. It's not going to slide in. Oh, look at this, love.
It's fun.
Okay, can you move a little bit this one goes right? Okay, push it. Okay. No, it won't.
Maybe need to come out a little more.
Come on, one.
Huh?
You do that.
Let me run this side.
He needs to slide that out a little bit to level this side so that we can push this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Maybe that motor fell down on it.
Yeah?
Motor.
What motor? Inside.
Almost in.
Almost in. So we took all of this just to get that one there. So that's why we started pushing it. So now it slides in already. There you go. See that, guys? If you can see that Mr. Wonder World is pushing outside. So hopefully it's already closed there. How is it? That's the one that we push, guys, to run the slides out. This is the slides that we're pushing it so that one will get in, slide in. Guys, we are going to reset one more time manually because this slides out here, it's not really close. We need to try one more time, but at least we're happy now that our slides out is in already. So this is the motor that we're talking about, that it's blinking. Is it?
That's it.
Yay! Good job, baby. Yes, guys, look at that. Woo!
It's in.
See, guys, we did it. Oh, so we can move today. Guys, it's already in. So we're gonna return all the board in front here. We're going to return all, and the other slides we're gonna slides in, and all the slides there, and we are ready to move. See, this is the tools that we use it. Everything.
Yep.
This one.
It won't go down in there.
Oh, it won't. And these are the screw that we need to return. See all the boards that we get it from there. And guys, if your problem also is the roof of this, we have a video that you can check it out. Hope we can help with your problem also as well, like our problem today.
Okay, and now it's time to replace the motor that I had to take out so we could push the slide out in. Replacing the motor will keep the slide out from going back out on its own.
Did you get it? It won't turn. So
Froze up.
That's why it froze up. That's the motor.
Yeah.
That's why the slides out won't slide in. Oh, is that broke?
Yeah.
Oh.
The motor's in.
The motor's in already?
Yeah, there's some little pins, these little pins on the bottom.
Yeah.
I had to get them so they would fall down into the holes.
Okay, now.
Into the slide. It's good. We're good.
Oh, good job. Good job, Mr. Wondering World.
Yeah.
So now, guys, it's already in.
Yeah.
It's hard to take a video that you're at the back. So now what are you doing there?
Plugging it in.
Plug in.
No, I guess this is the way it plugs in. Have to be.
Using this for the new one to plug in for this wire.
Yeah.
So for this time, we already changed the new motor of the slide out. We put this already today, and hopefully it will work already. So that's the new motor. And this is the old one. See that, guys? That's why we changed the new one, because this is the old one. What happened? See, it's all rusted already. So that's the new motor there.
Yeah.
So for now, we are going to return the wire under the rubber.
Yep, I'm going to see if it'll work.
Okay, so this time it's here. He's going to try if it's going to work. So now we are going to try to run this. Mr. Wondering World is going to push the button there, and then good. It's moving. Wow, good job. Good job, Mr. Wondering World.
We got it.
So our problem is solved.
Yeah.
And
Problem
now
solved.
we are going to put back all the wood here.
So I got to put this back on here.
Yeah, and put it back.
Yeah. It's down here onto this little track. Well, I got to get this started on this little track.
Okay. So that's what he's doing, guys. To put that one
Onto here.
to cover the wire
Yep.
all the way down.
There.
Good job. So that's
That's
how
it.
you return it. And now it's done. We are going to put back all the front frame.
Frame.
Yes. So see, this is your slides out. See that wire that you can see there? That's what we cover for this. We're almost done.
I'm going to run it in a little more to get a little more room.
Okay. And now we put this back already. So the motor is there already. So we put this one. And after this, we are ready to
Great tub heads.
return all of this. And we're done. And slides in, slides out. And now we are using this rod nail to just to add something to hold it.
Something added.
That's right. So now, guys, we're almost done because we returned this already. We put it back, and this one we put it back also. So the last thing is here in the middle to put this piece and put the one it's on the design. So we're almost done with our project today, and hope we really help you how to fix your slide out motors. See that, guys? That's our big problem when we move. But now we fix it. So that's it, guys. We are going to return that. Okay. And that's the last piece that we are going to put it back.
Hold that right there, love.
Okay.
Just for a second.
So here's our finish. See that, guys? It's sliding in and out. So that means our motor is already fixed. And thank you so much for watching for this video that we really fixed our slides out. So if you're having a problem, just message us, or you can ask questions and maybe we can help you as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you on our next one. So thank you so much, and once again, this is Wandering World. Have a good day, everyone.